Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, September 20th. The time is around 1:15 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of the SPY, right? This is the S&P 500 ETF. 30 minutes chart here. We can see we ended with B at 415, and then that means we are now within the C leg on the downside, and within the C leg it will be in a 5 waves, and you can see we ended with one here as a 5 waves, 1 2 3 4 5 with one of C, and then now looking for with 2 of C rally to fail below 415 for another leg down again. So we're looking for this rally here to fail approximately at this area, which we have reached the 100% extension. Now remember, this is not necessarily the absolute area where it should turn lower. The key level is going to be 415. Now the rally could be in another form, in, let's say, in a WXY we can be doing something like this. For example, it could also be in a bigger 5 ways up, 1 2 3 4 5, ending bigger A with a B and a C higher, right, before ending with 2. So there are a couple of different possibilities in terms of the rally, but as long as the rally stays below 415, we should be looking for the downside. And for now, this is what we are proposing here. It's just a simple ABC, which we should be looking to finish soon here, okay, with the C leg. And again, if this is correct as an ABC, then we could be turning lower soon, because we have reached the 100% extension. So we could be turning lower very soon from this area 389, 393, and either we extend on the downside from here, or else we end it with W and then pull back in 3 waves and then going up again to form a double zigzag. Okay, so it's either finish and go down or double zigzag and rally again. The only way it doesn't turn lower from here, according to this count, is if this is actually an impulse, and it creates a 1 2 3 4 5, and that 1 2 3 4 5 actually is ending a bigger with A. So that's the only way it will continue to go up and break above this upper 1.618 extension right here. Now zooming out, let's take a look at the what we are looking at here. So we got a B ending here at 415, which is this one, right? 415. This is the 4-hour time frame. So if this is a B, then we can conclude this is our A. So you notice here we got a B, and then we got 3 swings down. Now if you just simply measure the 100% extension, you know that we have not reached the ideal 100%, and so that's why we can still continue to see for the downside. And this is only ending 1 of C. Now looking for 2 of C and continue to go down. Now what about the alternate, right? The alternate is sometimes there is this thing called truncation in the market. So in which case you got a C without reaching the 100%, so you can complete the entire ABC already here. And to be honest, in the larger degree, indices continues to get sideways, because if you look at it from the biggest time frame, then you can see, since the all-time high and this low, we kind of trapped in the middle, right? Now if it breaks below the previous low again, okay, well, the bearish market or the bearish sequence is sort of re-establishing itself. But until we break below this previous low on June, technically we are still somewhere in the middle of this high and this low. So this is what we call a no man's land, technically speaking, right? So you never know whether this is the low or it will break lower. If it breaks below here, in fact, it's going to open up a bearish sequence and then favoring for the downside. But until it breaks below here, then we can continue to get choppy and sideways. But for the time being, if our focus is just a short term, then we're just going to be focusing on this cycle here from the peak, which is basically is a lower low ABC. And from here we looks to have incomplete target on the downside, which is 372, which is when the third leg is equal to the first leg. So that's why we are looking for the downside still at this point, and we're looking for the current rally to fail below this 415 invalidation level and turning lower. And we should be turning lower pretty soon, since we are already at the 100% extension area here. So we should be looking for a reversal at least in 3 ways from this area. Okay, so if you want to get regular updates on SPY or any other ETF, stocks, indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day to you all.